Nnọọ, welcome to the world. Ịgụ Nwa Aha. Ịgụ Nwa Aha.
Ịgụ Nwa Aha, which means
Naming a child or giving a child a name. Ọjị adịghị anụ okwu Bekee n'ihi na ọ bụ okwu Igbo ka eji awa ọjị.
And so for that, we're going to have a dialogue. There'll be some in English, words in Igbo for people who want to learn how to pronounce, and explanations for people who are native English speakers.
Yeah.
Okay, so someone who is pregnant is called
Onye dị ime.
Onye dị ime. And then if you want to ask somebody if they're pregnant, you would say
Ị dị ime.
Ị dị ime. Ị dị ime. Right? Okay, so during pregnancy, you go through your stages, and then we come to the part where you're delivering the baby. So how do you say childbirth or the birth of a child?
Ịmụ nwa ọhụụ maọbụ ịmụ nwa.
Ịmụ nwa maọbụ
Ịmụ nwa ọhụụ.
Nwa
is
nwa
the child.
is a child. Ịmụ nwa.
Yeah.
Ịmụ nwa ọhụụ.
Yes. Ịmụ nwa ọhụụ.
So the next part would be
Ọmụgwọ.
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 Yeah.
Ọmụgwọ.
Uh-huh.
Ọmụgwọ. Okay, so that word you said, I remember I asked before, you said it's not necessarily, you can't necessarily break down the word to mean specific things, but it's used as a descriptive word to express the emotions and the celebration around delivery.
Yeah. Once the baby is born, most of the time it can be about 8 days or 6 days, the umbilical cord will be removed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to assist in delivery,
yeah,
because Ọmụgwọ is almost like the midwives.
No. Ọmụgwọ is celebration of the mother-in-laws who go to look after the new babe and the mother. But midwives are ndị na-eji ime.
Oh, iji ime.
Yeah.
Iji ime. To assist in delivery.
Yeah.
Ụbọchị is day. Tata is today. Ụbọchị is the day. Izu is week. So it's Izu abụọ, and then Asato is the 8th day. Izu abụọ is 2 weeks, which is 4 market days times 2. 8, which is Ụbọchị Asato.
Ụbọchị Asato.
Yeah. Okay. The cutting ceremony is called Ibi Ugwu.
Ibi Ugwu.
Ibi Ugwu.
After Ibi Ugwu now. Because Ibi Ugwu is like cleansing.
After the cutting is the naming ceremony, which is called Ịgụ Nwa Aha. So, for instance, if you can have names like Mgborie.
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 It's like Agbowo. Okay. Okorie. Okonkwo. Okafo.
The eldest child and the eldest boy is Okpara. And then the eldest daughter is Ada.
Ada, yeah.
So you can have names like Adamma, Adeze. After the first boy and after the first girl, everyone is just Olu in your order of ranking.
Yeah.
So if they might call you Ulumma if you're a girl, which is called Onodu.
Yeah, Onodu.
Onodu. Why do I always get that wrong? Onodu.
Onodu, yeah. Situation.
The situation. So, for instance, someone could be called Ndidi. So, patience.
Patience.
Then you can have a name called Chinagorom.
Chinagorom, God is my defender.
God is my defender. What other names that are there to do with circumstances that are not Chi? Ikenna.
Father's strength.
The father's strength. Obi is the heart. So, for instance, you could have Obinna. And then Obo is literally it is. So that would go at the beginning of a name. For instance, Obunneme. Am I the maker? I think what we were trying to say is that the important thing about these names, researching them and knowing the actual meanings and how to pronounce them properly is important, because there could be mix-ups along the line as we get older and the generations change. But if we document them and try to get as much of a general consensus, then we understand what our names actually means, especially for those who are in diaspora, who are giving names to their new children without context. So yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, bye.